Want to turn your stablecoins into cash instantly? Here's how to withdraw them straight to your bank account. First, open your exchange app. Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken are the most popular. Log in and go to wallet or balances. If you're using Binance like me, follow this. Go to trade and then go to P2P, which is peer-to-peer. Now, from here, select the stablecoin that you want to withdraw. It could be USDT, USDC, FDUSD, whatever stablecoin that you want to withdraw. And then select your currency. And then here in the payment methods, you could select bank transfer, or you could look for your exact bank that you want to transfer to. So select bank transfer. And you can see all the listings that are trying to buy the USDT. You can press sell, and here you can sell them to withdraw them to your bank. Now press sell, enter the amount of stablecoin you want to cash out, double check the exchange rate and any fees, then confirm the transaction. If you don't have an exchange account, you can use apps like Revolut, PayPal, or Cash App, which let you sell stablecoins directly and withdraw them instantly to your bank. For maximum speed, make sure your bank account is pre-linked and verified before making the transfer. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.